Major sources of energy. There are three natural major sources of energy: sun, water, and wind. Fossil fuels. What are the fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are the hydrocarbons, the compounds which are made up of hydrogen and carbon. These fossil fuels are the coal, oil, and natural gas. These fossil fuels are used to heat our houses, to run industries, and transport. Burning of fossil fuels. When we burn these fossil fuels in the presence of oxygen, so carbon change into carbon dioxide and heat energy is produced during this reaction. And hydrocarbons burn in the presence of oxygen. During this reaction, carbon change into carbon dioxide and hydrogen converts into hydrogen oxide, which is also called water. And a lot of amount of energy is released during this reaction in the form of heat. Non-renewable energy resources. Fossil fuels are called non-renewable energy resources because these fossil fuels took million years in their formation. And we are using these fossil fuels at a very high rate. So the use of these fossil fuel is increasing day by day to meet our energy needs. If we continue to use these fossil fuels at the same rate, so soon these fossil fuels will be exhausted or finished from our earth. So if these fossil fuels will be finished from the earth, so our world have to face the serious energy crisis. That's why we have to use these fossil fuels very wisely. And at the same time, we have to develop the new energy resources to meet our future survival of energy demands. Effects of fossil fuels. These fossil fuels release harmful waste products. In these waste products, carbon monoxide and other harmful gases are present. These harmful gases pollute our environment. Due to that, serious health problems will occur. Health problems which are related to the fossil fuels. These fossil fuels can cause headache, tension, nausea, allergic reactions, irritation of eyes, nose, and throat. And if we will face these fossil fuels for a long time, so the long exposure to these harmful gases can cause asthma, lung cancer, heart diseases, and even damage our brain, nerves, and other organs of the body. Nuclear fuels. In the nuclear power plants, we got the energy as a result of nuclear fission reaction. During this reaction, heavy atom, for example uranium, split up into the small parts. During this, a lot of amount of energy is released. So some part of this energy is utilized to run the nuclear power plant, while a lot of nuclear energy in the form of heat goes waste into the environment.